Good day, campers. Today I'm going to fix what I believe is an oversight by Canam. They put in this nice ruggedized AM/FM stereo radio and left the antenna cable hanging loose under the dash. So I'm going to install a little rubber ducky ruggedized off-road antenna. It's designed to work on motorhomes, boats, and UTVs. So the procedure is I'm going to drill a hole. I'm going to remove the access panel for the air cleaner. And I'm going to remove the dash so that I can route the cable, tie it up, and we'll be done. The instructions say use a 1/4 inch drill bit. 1/4 inch is just slightly bigger than this opening. So what I need to do is I'm looking up under here, and there's body right about here. So I'm going to move forward to about right here so that there's room for everything to fit, and drill me a 1/4 inch hole. And we need to install the antenna and get it tight enough so that it stays in place. Okay, so there's a edge here. I need to drill a slightly bigger hole so that this will fit. So what I ended up with was a 5/16. That makes that fit nice and tight. I've offset this antenna just a little bit so that when I tighten it, that I know what's what as far as pointing the correct direction. The way this is done is this is rubber, so you can slightly over tighten. And as luck would have it, that turns out to be right at the right angle. So the next thing we need to do is route our antenna. This needs to go up into the dash so that I can connect it to my antenna, to my coax for the radio. I've routed the cable from the antenna over to here and up under the dash. And then, so to get to all the electronics, the radio that's in the dash is just your controls. Everything else is here. It's actually mounted to the top of the glove compartment. To remove the glove compartment, you have 2 mounting bolts here and over here, and then this piece of dash slides out, and then you just pull the glove compartment out. There's 4 pins in the back that actually plug into the firewall. This is the antenna that comes with the radio. So I just unplugged it from this, and I will plug my rubber ducky into that. Everything's all back together. This is a radio station that just barely come in before I swapped antennas. Now it works just like a real radio. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.